So here we are. She's looking at the rain. Look at the rainbow. Okay, you can go out.
Where's the rainbow?
I don't want to let go of the.
Oh, the rainbow.
Okay, you can turn it off. Well, we have our light bulb behind us. She's getting cold. Headed to the Philippines. It's going to be a long trip, 45 days. We'll get there in 45 days. Leaving Honolulu right now. Now let me see Abiella's face. Abiella, you're going to... Well, we're coming in right now to Honolulu. I'm going to ask this guy, are you having fun? Did you
I'm
have
having a
good
great time. Great time.
Good. What about you, sir?
Yes, sir. We're having a great time. Thank you. We
You
were in the
almost
dinghy.
died.
Almost. Yeah, almost. But
died.
you know,
But you had the GoPro to catch
had the
it.
GoPro. Those are the fun experiences when you almost die. Those are always enjoyable.
What about you?
Oh, I'm having a great time. First time on a boat. Last time I was... Actually, no, not first time on a boat. No.
Great.
Are you sick?
Good job.
Just a little.
Well, next time, go out when there's whales. You can jump.
Yes.
Okay. You have your camera?
Yes, sir.
Having a good time?
Yes, thank you.
Praise the Lord. Okay. Well, I'm going to make my way this way on the boat. I see more people here. How about you, young lady? Are you having a good time?